Hello, good morning once again. You are welcome. We are going to continue from where we ended the other time. Okay, the last time that we met, we were able to install our JDK, install the Netbeans, and then we were also able to install the WAMP server. Okay, now for today, we're going to look at the features of the Netbeans window. Okay. So if you were able to install all the installation successfully, you are supposed to see this desktop shortcut of Netbeans. Okay, if you're able to install it successfully, okay, you're able to see this desktop shortcuts. Okay, so what you do is just double click on the shortcuts. Okay, just double click on the shortcuts, or open the shortcut, you right click. Then you hit on open, okay, to launch your Netbeans application. Okay, yeah, so I'm waiting for my Netbeans to open. Okay, so you can also do the same. Let's open our Netbeans so that we can look at some of the features. Okay. Let's wait for our application to open. It's taking much time. Okay, let's be patient. It takes a little time for it to open. It involves so don't be bothered if yours takes much longer time. Okay. As I said, today we are going to concentrate on the features or the overview of the Netbeans window. Okay, the Netbeans, as I've already said, is going to be our compiler. Okay, compiler is just a software that is going to give you the platform to develop another software. Okay, it is not a big deal. A compiler is just a software that allows a user to develop another software using that application. Okay. Oh, so our Netbeans is not opening. So it's not open yet. Let's wait for it. Okay. We are going to look at the features that we are going to use when it comes to our development. Okay, the things that we are going to use. That's all. We are not going to look at everything. There are some of the features that they are not important to us. There are some of them too, they are very important to us. So those features that are important to us, that we are going to use, that is going to help us, are the features that we are going to learn. Okay, I think my Netbeans is ready now. Okay. This basically, this is the Netbeans window. Okay, basically this is the window. Okay, it is not much complicated. There's having one menu bar, as you can see, that contains the file, edit, view, navigate, source, refactor, run, debug, profile, theme, tools, window, and then help. And it's having its own formatting toolbar also. Standard toolbar, I don't even know. Okay, so that's other toolbar too, is over there. Okay, so let's look at the features that we are going to use much. Okay, the first feature is the run, the run on the menu bar, the file on the menu bar. Okay, so the file, another file, it is having its own file menu. Okay, so if you click on the file, you're going to see the file's own file menu, the file's own menu. Okay, so if you want to create a new project, okay, a new Java project, of which we will create a new Java project, you use the first option. If you want to create a new file, use the second option. If you have an existing Java project that you want to open, you use the open project. Okay, that means you already have a Java project on your machine and you want to open the Java project. Okay, then you use the open. Okay, you close all projects, will close every project for you. You can open another file from here, open recent files, the files that you've used recently. Okay, you can open them from here. Okay, then project group, you can import projects. Okay, you can export projects, import, export. The import, you are bringing it in. The export, you are taking it from your project to another format. Okay, you can save as, can save all. You can set up your page. Okay, that you can print, can exit the system. Okay, so for now, we will concentrate much on file. Okay, because the edit, the view, the navigate, the source, the refactor, the run, the debug, the profile, theme, tools, window, help, for now we are not going to use them. Okay, for now we are going to concentrate on the file menu. Okay, so forget everything and then just concentrate on the file menu. Okay, this area where the mouse cursor is, this area. Okay, this area is where all your projects, okay, any project that you create, any project that you open, there is where you are going to locate it. Okay, we call them packages. Okay, so each package has its own let's say files or folders. Okay, so let's say this is the primary project. Okay, I did that school project that I did. Okay, this is the main package. Okay, so as soon as you open the package, you're going to see other folders inside that package. Okay, so you can basically say that packages contains what folders, and then every folder can contain a subfolder or whatever. Okay, so you can see that this main source package is also having its own folder, known as the primary folder. If you keep on opening, you will see everything inside the primary folder. Some of them are Java frames, some of them too are images. Okay, any image that I import to the project will be added to this primary folder. Okay, it was the name I gave it. So when we also about to create our own, we're going to give our own the same name. Okay, so as you can see, this is the primary window. Okay, in Java, it means that it is a Java frame, but out of being JPEG is just an image. Okay, image. Okay, so we can open the window and we will see, so that we can see our working area too. Okay. Okay, so I am opening the primary window. Okay, the JFrame window. Okay. Okay. This over here is called the working area. Okay. Over here is called the working area. And when you move a stream to your right, you're going to find the swing container. Okay. The swing container at our right end is called our tools. Okay. These are the gadgets, the tools, and equipment that we are going to use to develop our software. Okay. Then over here to let's say the panels, the thing that we've been using in terms of our development. Okay, so you can see that I've selected this, and this is the student panel, and you can see that the student panel I've selected. Okay, don't worry about that, you will get to know soon. Okay, so over here too is our tools, as I've already said. Okay, and when you move to the little button of our right hand side, you will also find the properties. Okay, this shows the properties of every tool that you use. Okay, so if I select this tool, I can find out its properties over here. If I select this tool, I can find out the two properties over here. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, you will get to know everything. Okay, so this is our property panel. It shows all the properties of every tool that we will use. These are our tools that we use. Okay, very, very soon you will get to know every tool and what it's used for. Okay, we have the panel, we have the split pane, a lot. Okay, so when we start developing any tool that we will take to develop, okay, you first understand what you're going to use that tool for. You have the test field, the test area, the combo box, the radio button, the label. What are they? The scroll bar, the progress bar, the password field, a lot. Okay, a lot. You can even move on to the menu bar, the menu bar, menu item. Okay, so let's end our class for today, and then the next time that we will meet, we will start collecting our requirements for this project. Okay, we can start by developing. Okay, every software that you develop or every system that you develop, you have to first know what that system requires. Okay, what do you need? What are you going to do? What is the requirements? What are the necessary things that they want you to do? Okay, you need that. Okay, you have to know how to create your requirements. Otherwise, you can't start by just developing. No, you have to know. Okay, what would they need? What would this do for them? What and what questions what you are going to look at the next time that you meet. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget anything. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget anything, don't forget to like, don't forget anything. Okay, thank you.